Are you looking to share Instagram Reels with friends and followers but don't know how? In this video, I'll show you the easy step-by-step process for sending Reels directly to someone in a direct message. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then go over to the Reel that you want to share. Once you have the Reel opened up, tap on the little paper plane icon at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. And now all you have to do next is select the person with whom you want to share this Instagram Reel. You can also write a short message and then tap the send button in the bottom center of the screen. And now this specific Reel will be sent to the person that I selected. You can also tap on the three little dots at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on where it says link. And that will copy the link to this specific Instagram Reel to your clipboard. You can paste this link anywhere you like and share it with anyone. You can also tap on share, and it will give you quick share options to share this with your friends or on any other social media platform. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.